In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Passwords and Accounts section. Then use this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and click on the password that you wish to check. Then enter your screen lock, and last but not least, use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!